Restream is a platform that allows users to broadcast their live video content to multiple streaming platforms simultaneously. This can be extremely useful for content creators and businesses that want to reach a wider audience and increase their visibility on the internet. One of the main uses of Restream is to help content creators and businesses expand their reach and engagement. By streaming to multiple platforms at once, they can reach a wider audience and increase the chances of their content being seen by more people. Additionally, by broadcasting to multiple platforms, they can also increase their visibility on social media and search engines, making it easier for potential viewers to find their content. Another use of Restream is for businesses that want to engage with their customers in real time. By broadcasting live video content, businesses can interact with their customers in real time, answering questions, providing updates, and offering special promotions. This can be especially useful for businesses that sell products or services online, as it allows them to connect with their customers in a more personal and direct way. Restream can also be useful for live events, such as concerts, conferences, and webinars. By broadcasting the event to multiple platforms, organizers can increase the reach and engagement of the event, and also provide a way for people who can't attend in person to still participate and view the event. Restream is also useful for content creators who want to monetize their content. By broadcasting to multiple platforms, they can increase their revenue streams and reach a larger audience. Additionally, Restream provides built-in monetization options such as viewer paywall, donations, sponsorships, and subscriptions. Restream is also useful for remote teams and individuals working from different locations. By broadcasting a live video stream, team members can collaborate and communicate in real time, regardless of their location. This can be especially useful for businesses that have employees working remotely, as it allows them to stay connected and productive. Overall, Restream is a powerful platform that can help content creators, businesses, and event organizers increase their reach, engagement, and monetization potential. It is a versatile tool that can be used for a wide range of purposes, including expanding your audience, engaging with customers, live events, monetizing your content, and collaborating with remote teams. To sum up, Restream is a platform that enables users to stream their live video to multiple platforms at the same time. This allows content creators, businesses, and event organizers to expand their reach, engage with customers, monetize their content, and collaborate with remote teams. It's a versatile tool that can be used to stream live events, webinars, and conferences, helping to increase the reach and engagement of the event. It's also useful for businesses that sell products or services online, as it allows them to connect with customers in a more personal and direct way.